Okay, what's up, my dudes? Today we are going to clean this nasty grill on my Jeep. I've made a number of road trips and it is just hard to look at. So we are going to be using this 3D bug removal, and full disclosure, I've used this before and it works amazing, but I didn't get it on video last time, so this time we're getting it on video. I'm not being paid for this, but there will be a link in the description where you can click on this and you can get off Amazon if you think that this is going to work for you. But without further ado, let's see if this stuff works. All right, so the instructions for this are pretty simple. You just get the hose, you spray down your grill, and that's just to cool it down. And you let the water run off, and then you douse it with the 3D bug remover, and you let it sit there for somewhere between a minute and 2 minutes, depending on the outdoor temperature. It's pretty warm today here, it's like 85, so we're just gonna leave it on for about a minute, and then you get a cloth and you wipe it down. The bugs are supposed to come off with little or no effort. So let's test that, let's see if it works. Okay, let's go. My grill has just all kinds of gross stuff on it, and if you're like me, you don't like having a crime scene on the front of your Jeep. So let's get rid of that. I have hosed down the grill of the Jeep, and let's spray on the bug remover and see what happens. So this is supposed to be just like an enzyme. There's no chemical in it, and the enzyme just breaks down the bug proteins, and it's supposed to just dissolve. So just inhaled a bunch of it. It's fantastic. All right. Okay, so now we just leave it for a minute and let it cook. All right, so looks like it's been a minute, and let's spray this down and see what happens. Actually, the instructions say to use a cloth, so we are going to use just a bucket with some water and a cloth, and let's see how we fare. Just going to grab this. All right. Whoa. Yeah, it comes right off, dude. All right, that big butterfly is all caught in there. I'll have to get him out with some tweezers, but yeah, all the bug guts are just wiping off. That's amazing. So we have this big spot here. See how that does. Yeah. That's just crazy, dude. That's my little trail cam that I hacked together. My DIY trail cam. Dude, that's... you just wipe it away. It's all gone. That's crazy. let's just hose it down. All right. It's just amazing. Dude, that's like so much better than it was. All right, dude, I don't know if you're convinced, but I mean, 3D bug remover obviously does the job. So whoever you are, 3D bug remover, you got a good product, and I'm gonna be a user for life now. Anyway, all right, that's it for this product demo. 3D bug remover, total win, link in the description. You guys are the best, stay awesome, and I'll see you on the next Shift into Sunshine.